Since the beginning of this year, I've had the opportunity to shoot some of the most stunning mansions in Abuja, owned by billionaires, politicians, and some of the big icons in the industry. But today, I want to show you mansions that really stood out to me. From politician mansion and billionaire mansion, also low-key billionaire that really have amazing mansion in Abuja. Welcome to another mansion tour with Stunner, where we explore the most luxurious property across Nigeria. And if you love content like this, please support me with like and subscribe. It keeps me motivated to keep bringing you beautiful homes in Africa. The Hairplane Mansion, Asokoro, Abuja. This mansion takes me back to my university days. I used to pass this mansion often, always wondering what the inside looks like. From outside, I was already impressed, but the area view changed everything. It is way more luxurious than I ever imagined. Located in Asokoro, the land of billionaires, this mansion features a tennis court, a swimming pool, and surrounded by lush trees and beautiful landscaping. But what makes it even more special is the story behind it. It was built by a man for his wife because she loves to travel. So he built a house in shape of an airplane. Now this is love and luxury. And to be honest, I would still love to see what the inside looks like someday. The Adenuga Mansion, Maitama. This mansion caught me by surprise. I discovered it during one of my routine drone flights, hidden behind a thick cover of trees, almost invisible to the public eyes. Only few people even know that such a massive mansion exists in that spot. But what really blew my mind is that this mansion is an exact replica of Mike Adenuga's famous mansion in Banana Island, Lagos. Same structure, same imposing presence. The only difference is there is no waterfall behind it like the one in Banana Island. It is discreet, private and powerful, just like the billionaire himself. And trust me, I would love nothing more than to see what the inside looks like. Queen Mansion, Katampe Extension. This is one of the biggest mansions in Abuja. The majestic Queen Mansion, it is not just massive, but it's also most expensive mansion in Katampe Extension, a neighborhood known for billionaire zone in Abuja. Katampe Extension is home to some of the bold and most beautiful homes in the city of Abuja, and Queen Mansion stands tall among them, a true symbol of royalty and wealth. Just down the road from Queen residence is a luxurious castle-style mansion. And guess what? It is currently on market for 3 billion naira. It is a favorite spot for wedding and birthday photo shoot, thanks to the unique architecture and fairy tale design. So if you are looking to own a castle in the heart of Abuja, this might just be your chance. The most expensive mansion in Abuja, Maitama. This mansion is widely known as the most expensive mansion in Abuja. When you see it, you will understand why. It is located in central of Abuja, directly opposite the Transcorp Hilton Hotel, a prime location that screams luxury. From the outside, the building is massive and designed with such elegance that make everyone curious about what is inside. Most people assume it's a billionaire resident, maybe a politician or a royal, but surprisingly, it's not a residential mansion. Despite the jaw-dropping appearance, this property is actually an office building, not a luxurious home as we all imagine. But its design, its scale, its presence makes it one of the most iconic and talked about structure in Abuja. The most beautiful mansion is located in Guzape. As you all know, Guzape as a neighborhood known for its high-profile residents, including top politicians, oil executives, even Obi Kubana and Wike lives in Guzape. Guzape is home to some of the most stunning mansions in Nigeria. For example, this massive mansion sitting on this large piece of land is currently on market for 5 billion naira. But also, if you are looking for something luxurious at slightly lower price, there is also a smart white mansion, swimming pool, a gazebo and elevator just for 2.8 billion naira. Now, welcome to the most beautiful mansion in Abuja. This masterpiece was designed and built by curator architects, and I must say, this is the most aesthetically pleasing mansion I have ever seen in Abuja, whether in the daylight or at night. You can't literally walk past this mansion without saying a prayer to the architect. And if you are wondering what the interior looks like, trust me, it's even more breathtaking than anything you could imagine. I would love to tour this mansion someday. Hopefully the owner invites me soon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it helps me a lot. Until next video, stay stunning.